Hi, I'm Julianne, and I'm a creative crafter. I hand make products infused with positivity, love, and kindness. I'm passionate about knowledge and teaching things I've learned along the way. Being a certified cosmetologist and paramedical esthetician, I've studied aromatherapy for over 25 years. I hope to deliver interesting, informative, and fun videos for you on this YouTube channel. Stay tuned to Blue Moon Scents by subscribing. Be the first to see reviews, personal recommendations, and behind-the-scenes sneak peeks. You can expect to find out the why behind the DIY, recipe breakdowns. Do you really need that ingredient? Do you? Really? Preferred tools, making sense of a scent, and can I craft with that? Plus a lot more. I'm also weird and kind of awkward. There's no sense in hiding that. I'm sure we'll share a laugh or two. The main reason for this channel, to help crafty people from around the globe create with purpose. We're all beginners, and the only bad question is the one that you don't ask. Educate thyself. Learn something new and craft like the beautiful soul that you are. Keep an eye out for tutorials, exclusive giveaways, testing, relaxing, the art of simple indulgence. Liking our videos really helps us out. Comment below to let us know what you'd like to see. Tickle that bell. I hear that if you do, a fairy will get its wings. At least that's the rumor. You just want to help a fairy out. Remember, be kind, especially to yourself. A bientôt, my lovelies.